If you've ever wondered how to make money online, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to share some of the best proven methods to start earning from home, even if you're a complete beginner. From freelancing on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, to launching your own digital products, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, and even creating content on YouTube or TikTok, there are endless opportunities waiting for you. The secret is to start with one method, stay consistent, and scale up as you learn. Whether you want a side hustle for extra cash or to build a full-time online business, I'll guide you step by step so you can turn your time and skills into real income. Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe my video. Please support me. Subscribe, press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.